He is probably one of the most powerful and mystical creatures in the world of Krynn, known to protect his people from harm, and doing what he can to preserve the balance and good in the world. Greetings and welcome back, guys. How are you doing today? So in this video we are going to cover the Forestmaster, the great and mighty unicorn and protector of the Darken Wood. No one knows precisely how old the Forestmaster is. When we meet him in the early ages of Krynn, in the Age of Dreams, he is the master of the wooded realm called Mithranhana, and he is served at the time by the keeper of the forest. The Forestmaster has the power to communicate with the spirits of the forest, and always acted in the interest of the land and the animals, finally revealing herself to krynn and enlisting his aid to drive out the humans that were interloping on her forest. This event eventually leads to the Kinslayer Wars, the bloodshed and broken alliances that eventually lead to the breaking off of krynn from Sylvanesti and creating the realm of Quolanesti. Now during the War of the Lands, the heroes of the lands traveling through Darken Wood on their way to Quolanesti were captured by her centaurs and brought before her. She listened to their tales of the war and the corruption and the evil in the world, and she allows the heroes to leave unscathed to continue their journey, and even giving them a flock of Pegasi to fly them to Paxtoris. Now during the Chaos War, Paladin himself comes over to the Forestmaster, asking her not to intervene and not to attack Takhisis's minions. He tells her about the agreement that he had with Takhisis, that he would allow her to rule over Ansalon, so together they could fight the forces of chaos and hopefully survive the slaughter. Now some of her centaurs did not like that, so they rebelled against her, attacking Takhisis's minions, and those centaurs were banished for their actions, and she keeps her word to Paladin, not intervening anymore in the war. Now following the Chaos War, the mighty Forestmaster is captured by a chaos creature named Grimbout, the creature using the Forestmaster's magical abilities to corrupt more and more of the Darken Wood, corrupting her followers and turning them into creatures of chaos. Grimbrot kills the Forestmaster, slitting her throat, yet every time he does so, she comes back to life, her body wasting away until she dies again and gets regenerated again, keeping her in a prison created of thorns that are embedded through her body. Grimbrot eventually even gets hold of the Soul Splitter, a magical axe created from star metal, and he starts slowly chipping away at her horn, as that is the only way to truly kill her. Yet before that happens, coming to her aid are Caramon Majer and his daughter Desra. Together they manage to free the Forestmaster, killing Grimbrot, but Caramon pays with his life in the process. So in gratitude, the Forestmaster brings Caramon back to life, and after that, the Forestmaster regained control over her land, and now she rules over Darken Wood, as she once did. Thank you guys for listening. I really appreciate you staying with me until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Have a lovely day.